YouTube gang, it's your boy Jambisco, and we're back in the music lab and I hit and I smash and I bang. I know people, you already know what time it is. Yo, that mafia, we're back in the music lab. You see me, I see what I deal with today, guys. You see me, with the artists, that's no stranger to the channel. Yeah man, somebody straight out of the 7. You know what I'm saying? Well, it's the most 7 artists around here like that. You see me, because you know, as you tune them drop, you see me, we get mostly 6 requests, but we love when you get 7s and you know other sections requests. And today we got Plumpy, Bass and Castella. Well, Plumpy, Bass, Castella and Jah Jah, and they want to name Winner Wait, and go check it out and see what's going on. You don't know Plumpy Bass, no stranger to the channel. Plumpy Bass actually make really great music, you know what I'm saying? He's one of the dopest artists out of Trinidad. You see me and say, and his gang is, which I believe is the 7 gang, is actually beefing the Prince Swanee's gang, which is the 6 gang. But nonetheless, Plumpy Bass is really a good, talented and dope DJ, you know what I'm saying? We mostly get 6 requests, but we listen to every artist over here, so we no pick sides. You see me, with music we say, you see me, and from music bad we are going to listen to it, and from artists bad we are going to listen to them, you know what I'm saying? Yeah man, but Plumpy Bass, Castella and Jah Jah dropped this song like what, a couple of days ago, entitled We Now Wait. Should have been got around to it. I had it up on my yo guys, believe it or not, I had this up on my tabs so long, but I be having a bunch of tabs on when it comes to music. You see me, and every time I'm about to drop, something else comes up and I'm pushing it in front of that one, and then you know what I'm saying? But yeah man, she have been to this, but we're gonna do it right now. Check it out and see what go on, because Plumpy Bass is a real dope artist that actually be interested in listening to and like his music, so we want to see where that is actually going with character. We cover everything, you know, Jamaican dancehall, Trinidad dancehall, St. Kitts dancehall, Barbados, it don't matter what dancehall there. We cover it and see what they want to do with it. You see me? So we're not gonna hold up the vibes much longer, guys. We're gonna jump right in that track. This is Plumpy Bass, Castella and Jah Jah. We Now Wait. Let's get it. We're talking about money. Now wait for money. Or what?
BJs.
Goals or what? Yeah, that man. Money machine, man. Then sound the most beautiful. Money just a go through, man. You know what I'm saying, man? Plumpy Bass, yeah.
Don't make we start the gold shop. Every gun we buy, we done lift up that.
Yeah.
Them a lick a pussy with some liquor shop. Hardball in a head lift out flat. How come in place and not the clothes that? Call the hearse, tell it reverse back.
Jah Jah, that could be place and the clothes that man you call the hearse, then reverse back. I want to my yacht. You see me?
Somebody have to go at the talk shop. None of my dogs, them not do long chat. We not wait for them machine. Circle lemons with the machine. Yeah. In a grave boy chucking. Yeah. Cause all we guns we love bust it. Yeah.
We not wait for the machine. Circle lemons with the machine. In a grave boy chucking. Easy no my yard, you better be able to sell for never know. Eh?
We not wait for the machine. Circle lemons with the machine. Yeah. In a great boy chucking. Cause all we guns we love busting. I'm a belly to overload. Yeah. Ready for go turn boy over. Drive shot in a head like Land Rover.
Run to the overload, ready for turn boy over. I'm tuning man, I'm tuning on tumbleweed we are talking about.
Step on the men's militant like soldier fi send boy over home, yeah. Big Mac 90s and 5th gen from since 60. Me fully bad strictly 7 gang love left. Wild and risky. Gunshot in the face just a boy quickly. March out make the place hotter than chimney.
Gunshot in a boy face. Hey, church out boy quickly. Gunshot make place hotter than chimney. I want to tell you and talk about chimney on a pissing and shitting, I know. Hey, fair no, you know. Boy violate with demolish them history. 7 top strikers coming like Christy.
Nothing no long chat, boy I feel run fast, head buzz.
Boy violate with that shit, we mash up their history. Man says 7 top strikers, them coming like Christy and Randall. I mean, say they don't miss them goal, they don't miss them target, you know. You see me? Be able to self, man. 7.
Blood spread like when rum chop. 7 full of don't spot. Yeah, but we funds up. From a boy violate. Gunshot, no fun snap. God, we not wait for the machine. Circle lemons with the machine. Yeah. In a grave boy chucking, cause all we guns we love busting. Yo, we know.
Man, I gotta go. Hey, man, I forgot Trinidad for some of them gold there, bro. You see me? Yo, I got a couple of my subscribers, y'all invite me out, man. When I hit 10K subs, I'm coming to Trinidad, bro. Remember I said that. Get me the 10K subs and 10K subs. I'm coming to Trinidad and I'm doing meet and greets with my subscribers. Trust me. So help your boy out, man. Let me get the 10K.
Wait for the machine.
Kiss me, G. Look at myself.
Yeah, in a grave boy chucking, cause all we guns we love busting. We know do the warning thing. 6 men dead in the morning king. 13.
No warning over here. No warning. No heads up. No. Yeah, see me. But I did it early morning. Soon as a crocodile, the man I did.
People put all in a chin. Hudson murder, brawling thing dog. How we do the
busting?
Somebody go and tell my pet 7.6 to a puff boy for it. Send boy in a dirt and I just shove it.
How we call them Muppets? Are they 60 call Muppets? Man say you tell the Muppets them. You see this 7.6 them. Hey. How we call Muppets, gang? Let me know in the comment section.
BGS no follow yes man. Shot something gonna make it expand. Them are some comic, that's where I say I X-man. Babies and infants, bout big one. Clap it in the face, make up, start leave land. Leak, marrow, twist, pan, hard ball, grease, man.
Leak, marrow, twist, hand, hard. Man say, yo, they want to dark, you know, my own. Hey, come in, man.
My dog, old place dog.
But I take you singing and feel say everything nice. You dog, them a sing nice and singing. Dance, man, them a sing.
Up again, non-stop drilling till everybody dead. We now wait for the machine. Circle elements with the machine. Yeah. In a grave boy chucking, cause all we guns we love busting. Yo, we now wait for the machine.
Now wait for the rushing. You know man say man, circle lemons with the what?
Circle lemons with the machine. Yeah, in a grave boy chucking, cause all we guns we love busting. Murder not polite, we murder them first by.
That chucking a grave like a swimming pool. Yeah, like a Olympics high diving competition.
Rifle in a face, one pressure ring out like a mobile. Sick dumb boy that's like a float, tell them a badness with no fertile. Why are them quicker than phone line? You know way. Headshot, chest, upper body only. Shot, boy,
man say headshot, chest, upper body only. Jah Jah, man, you. Man, they not shoot you for warn you. Not shoot you for, you know, for make your earth a lick you. A dead man try wipe you out, flatline you.
Mash up better than respiratories. Guns out when the boss out mandatory. Cables and songs sweeter than love stories. We now wait for the machine. Circle.
Man say K sweeter than love story, brother. Come on, no, man. Plumpy.
Elements with the machine. Yeah. In a grave boy chucking, cause all we guns we love bust it. Yo, we now wait for the machine. Circle elements with the machine. Yeah. In a grave boy chucking, cause all we guns we love bust it.
Yeah man, that one a nice man. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Yeah man, that one was requested by yeah man, this one requested my awesome updates. Big up yourself, my G. Yeah man, that was a dope track. I really enjoy listening to that one. Yeah, it's a Plumpy boss and the 7 them. The one says 7 top strikers coming like Christy. Yeah, Cristiano Ronaldo, man, G. You know what I say? Everything on target. You see me? I say nothing nah miss. Strike at them there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, that was a dope track, man. Big up Plumpy Boss, Castella and Jah Jah. You see me? Yo, we listened to Plumpy Boss already, and Plumpy Boss of course. But Castella and Jah Jah, we haven't heard much from them, so I'm interested to hear some more. So let me know, guys, in the comment section. Is Castella and Jah Jah worth listening to, and what song should I listen from them? So drop in the comment section and I'll definitely get it done. If your request is chosen, you're gonna get your shout out and all that, and you're gonna see stuff on the screen, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, like I was saying, that was Plumpy Boss, Castella, Jah Jah, and Jah Jah, We Now Wait, and that was a dope track, guys. So let me know what y'all think about that in the comment section. If you like, you go show the artists and love and support. Like you know, say Jambisco dance, you know, say we're strong over here, so you see me, the vibes and the energy over here, so lit. Vibes is unmatched. We shooting for a start. You know what I'm saying? Just become part of the family. You know what I'm saying? Hit the like and subscribe, and we're growing strong. We just blew past 2K subs. We're on our way to 10K subs. We're not even stopping at 5K. You know what I'm saying? I'm growing strong over there. Let's ask that you guys keep hitting the like and subscribe button, guys. Remember, the likes is for me, not for the song or the artist. The like is for me and my videos. If you like the videos that I put out for y'all, whether you like the artist or the songs, if you like the video that my videos is entertaining, informative, helpful, any of that, hit the like and subscribe button and help your boy out. You know what I'm saying? That once again, the likes is not for me, it's not for the artist or for the music. You know what I'm saying? The like is for me. When you like my videos, for me, it's not liking the song, so you probably have beef with the artist. It's for me. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, guys, let me know anything about it one day. I don't know, it's a boy Jambisco. I was here and I hit and I smashing out banger. Till next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.